what the ever cry ni mupa.
Sompa 93.1.
Yeah, a poor out draw Malcolm or honey and watch. Now, a movement in phone quality about it. Like Yake and Wobble. Yeah, Cassati, we are busy t-shirts. Yes, guy in the American Wafa, Anna, Yakache, and Azira. Kennedy Omanhene Yaw. Bantam Haya Yakase. Ahayana Wini. Ansana Oko, baby our tea. Asan and Otim Rashibido. The Minisuba and our little Bantima. And your papa went to Yama or Bantima on Valogy Teaching Hospital. So it's me back on Valogy Teaching Hospital. Not program Yadiaho, Machina, Yadiva program Yari. I say yes, you. Now you reckon at the Omanhene Yaw. Let me back here $175,000. Say you go repair machine. In the animal moves when you program Yari. Let us be. Let us go. You reckon at the Omanhene Yaw. Runkumane Obia. Enemy, Otimi Ekasama grassroots. I want to more from one politician, there be an Otimi Kasama, one more we are more blow up. Onipa, or your politician, enemy, or your only leader. One politician, enemy, or Kasama, Roma, Omudija. Or no one, Enipa, Obi, our former, Obi, our Macy, Obi, our judge, Obi, our school, the home school. Why a taxi driver, why school fees? You want to be a suicide, Otimi Kasamano. Or no one in the park, and then the more for youth, as in who say, Yana Dachin, I was here you for your pet, everyone. Some way, any of you will be on about the year. 18 and I'm share how much after my baby. Like Kaka, the real funeral. Emra COVID-19 so by. Yemra can the Omanhene Yaw. Let me Fred. You are another Ranti and Mabawa, Omunwachi.
Baba Hanomona, Mammy Quahomano, so nominee. Mr. Kofi Nkansa, former CEO Accra Digital Center. And as you see, I'm one CEO ma NEIP. Kofi Nkansa, me watching. Hello, Kofi. Hello, Kofi Nkansa. Okay. Yen sabe kano. Ni ene na twetwe nkomo. Enkomodia we ni etiawa akoye se Auditor General's report by say the query be ama management said 2021 Sikabia 1,087,000 Ghana cedis has been written off. Nasa debt written off no. On say Sikabi on my say friend bad debt. Na Sikabia kabia wo no na bia omo expect say nipa no betua na sika no e be omo ahwe ani ma nipa no ntua wo bank no ne companies bia omo timi twem say friend bad debt. Mame kwa nso Kofi Nkansa mo ache
me jesu mi ni ama ene sen
nya me adom na nso
hode chien
me no bedi nkomo kakra so afa you start na edi kan no dia beto dwa ye Auditor General's query on Ebra na wo ye adwuma ewo Accra Digital Center say sika bi 1,087,601.92 pesos has been written off. Now it's a sort of bad debt. Now, the intra. But told you say one way now, but you say, oh, Accra Digital Center for 1 million. Aha. Ti da humbe yase be yanchemu.
Chire so man. Auditor General for I told that almost one thing kakra. Auditors na omo be ye adwuma because omo adwuma ni nim say anything because omo dey take archaeology to zoology. Say bi emo na ban yen kura do mbeko so omo nko audit e bi so obeko no na emo ayen no munim hunim de kese school ombe audit regular MDA says aban adwuma bia yes omo dey dey atin foforo dey mra hyase dey mra hyase me adwuma e koye no na se bibibie ni wani yakwa starting ya toto ni na mandate a yɛde ma yɛ ne sɛ yɛnhwɛ na mmabu no a ɔmo wɔ suahunu wɔ digital innovation ɛyɛ ICT aba yi ɔmo tumi de ɔmo nsa yɛ ho nneɛma no yɛma ɔmo baabi ntena no ɔmo mfa nyɛ adwuma papa mu a na wɔ sɛ nka facilities no koraa yɛde ma startups no ɛyɛ free na ɛsiane sɛ aban ni sika na ɔde bɛso yɛ ase yɛma yɛ budget yɛma hwee nti ɛna yɛyɛ sɛ ne yɛwɔ sɛ yɛyɛ innovative na yɛgyegye kakra free startups yi hɔ sɛ de bɛyɛ a yɛbɛtumi anya bi de ara ne operations tofo agu generator ɔmatwa adwumayɛfoɔ ka na ɛhɔ ayɛ kama obiara nso nim de akra data center yɛkɔ wɔyɛ o ɛti asɛm no nyinaa ne sɛ startups no ɔmo ba yɛ ne ɔmo yɛ nhyehyɛeɛ sɛ bi a obi ba was mebɛtena hɔ mebɛgye 6 months na mede atena hɔ na mayɛ m'adwuma nti wama ne invoice for 2 quarters ne yɛyɛ ne 2 quarters ya quarterly bosome mmiɛnsa biara ne yɛma invoice sɛ Ghana mmara koraa hwɛ rent mu koraa nsɛ sɛ wo rent more than 6 months saa ne mmara na ɛsiane sɛ ne yɛpɛ sɛ yɛ ne flexible ne nti board no de kɔtoo honorable minister communications ne ma ne te asɛ sɛ of course why not because we deɛ yɛ nnwuma afei na yɛpɛ sɛ yɛdua ɛna ɛba ho eti obu ha a wabɛgye invoices for 3 quarters na ebi a watua first quarter no owura second quarter no mu a ɔbɛhwɛ ana ebi a na adwuma no because sɛ yɛ startup a enya ahoɔden ne ntira na ebi adwuma no gu ana sɛ wantimi antoa so antua no afiri hɔ no kɔ eti all over the world no over startups a yɛdua especially digital one na 90% fail in the first 3 years eti ɛba ne saa because sɛ ɛyɛ subsidy and I had my commercial rate. Hoden so any soro. A cluster. You will akasi for your SMEs in your startups and your into startups. No, young Kokanji almost say, oh, your startup until you went to any rate. But board or not a writing off because you wouldn't say a experiment. And I had this annual money a year. Okay, as an experiment in a year, when my friend be prayer and you do. Omo yiye omo do mutimi twa mutimi atete omo nyuma ni bikura wo Kenya na South Africa na Nigeria no ma omo be dua omo dwuma no wo ho no atre anyini eti digital innovation ecosystem no sa na no ko American ecosystem na Silicon Valley no na de oba ho na there was a conscious effort for the state to spend on sa nyuma no ofofɛ no nyini na ne mu yedu adache ono nso be han holding aso afufuro eti yen realistic say technology parts is a digital center. I expect to say, unya bad debt, and as a board running who can, I mean, who can so be writing of startup seeker by an ABS could trade 2 cities or 1 city. And you money go and answer expected returns and I send to me and went to okay. Board who say, because we say a year subsidy and a buying provider. The idea is a social service. I running and they are support to startups. And yes, I buy being for so I buy here and for so a digital center because when you mandate, a social intervention. Name yes, Omobani and Bodoma, a catch representing to train. You know, me and business, but in the wisdom of the management and the board, no, you said only 10% of the human you do for in the first 3 years. And a year, it's in a management. Arrange auditors and I think our response are observations and management moment. Como capture in their reports, no, a guide your conclusion. Because we control book as journalist who offer the headline. Obi hu ya unko room and cancer management responsibility so which is say a government subsidy. Startups 90% in the failure. A human anticipate the emphasis on a IT human that change your WhatsApp, your Facebook, a branch your digital addresses. I don't know, starting startup. What you make once when what you mean, I can say, and the digital address or Yamagan or you in Koro Ahodo. So now, my Chimuka.
Okay, I think it makes a lot of sense. It's not for profit, but to build the IT Mranti and Adea Moan is doing. Yankoyanim, NEIP, Yanante, Samasya, Abino, Eddie, you start no, Shasye, and Yanapko phone qua, Mabuna or Memoir, almost so. Epeso omo enyansa no dwuma na omo anya omo business you start no trimupono pa ne sen na napkofo no be sen na so for ma register wo maso
yo medasi you start trimu bo pa edikan ene sen aban betime anya nwuma ama ye mabuno no bezo ma me no kase kama ye we tech no na ebi anipa 10,000 and I befia say you 100,000 afibia ebe enter job market no from technical universities ne regular universities and other tertiary institutions or more peduma. Unfortunately, public sector, any even what the private come one, pay rules any enough space to absorb all these people. Nature of man penading for the human, there's one the one of automotive development program na said the in for the human paper, na private sector let me absorb when the paper. And so a long term until 6 hours in a paper. Intimate home can say, I'm bringing schools and a fibia 100,000, fibia 100,000. Now, for a short government measure, I'll be providing internship. Say, Omania 3 year experience, or Copejum, baby, and Cassette, who need experience in TM. Then, so almost trying to economy be expanded. You know, was Ghana for Subanya, Omoya enterprising, and Mabuno Pejumani, Hannah potential, and I suban for so a moment. Because Ubu Okra when you're Abusumia, more bank, telecom company. And so, for started in the first pay, I know I started say, we know that photo taxi, we can pay, or acquire watch business, or acquire branch of business, Ghana for enterprising that. Who said, see, business, entrepreneurship, and one from 18 years and above. From the universities. I will be school crano. Na Nejuma no the Edru no uncle a bank for Pejuma. It is to help create jobs and to also mark a conscious departure from job seeking to job creation. Now instead say Upia Jane the ceremony say Obi school or Copejuma no. Ya Chen Kumano. Imiano Mabrono adwene free so na entrepreneurship no be show mumu na enema ye environment yes we also say vegetation about create district bia onema odu ye district bia o businesses are pet we are Ghana for beto hoko no for mu yefugu hoko ba bia omu ye share bata usane ba fuma detergents na liquid soaps na market nkete enwa man mu ye ofie ebi ye sheto ebi ye catfish farming ebi ye tilapia farming be a construction, it be a process, be a body creams, a hoodro, and Emma who pay any car. Yeah, but why am I the Pias? Where shall we see this one? Because I have a cranium for Bushaba, and that's what because China for starting, you know, yeah, we 80s year we it won't be an year made in China and 90s years and so on. The beer for position, China and a position. It is a better industrialization only started from cottage industries. If you the best starter here and kakra FDA for approval, standards authority for approval, the export promoting for export to export to a foreign exchange. Here they are show up your currency because we are the commonest people work from higher rice and stew, the chicken ekusu. Or my rice and all your crap, tomatoes, tin tomatoes, the stew no your crap, and a chicken in your crap. It's a fibia sign in vegetables and rice near the $2 billion and a crack. Equal to sky in your free cocoa, a foreign exchange $2 billion. Now said the essence will contain mono. In your foreign exchange and your cockra went to some near the Nema, can you mean say a mass as well? I bet me a process. It's a no jobs and a fee import substitution program. Your person so for said a bay and your card runner, your best start, especially in Kuman. Near Honey, Mabrunzo, near Jeho. Now, you know, up for you, so or more train clearance from Ghana Health Service, no education, no civil service, no local government. No, almost I started in my way. Kuman, Kakran, almost in your baby call Manuansana. South for my sector employment opportunity no more expecting. But who knows? One rare any time I'm clients, Raman. Or rest of Coachella, the 2005. That's what me baby brain shops will contain them, you know. That's a Bosumi when you're 2005 and 3005. If we containers to no area or buying one of that is no employer. And that is the whole idea of bringing youth start program, a job creation and import substitution to show up our foreign exchange to reduce importation.
So far, no, I'm on for register.
I'm want to my pilot, no.
Okay.
No. Bruna, this kind of moment, you and Juma come and he can pay more bepeche, or my dears and beche finance minister on a head of the youth staff secretary at Tema Bibuko, so I come. You know who P or her or the year, and I mean launch in it. I've any trained dean from the date from the presidency. And September, the date by the Betuja and a pilot who bore her. Ya bwana mani processing of coffee, boha body lotions, boha yogurt, fresh yogurt ya basu ya no beje mo aso de koye. Aba mo bi buy ondo beji ska so de koye charcoal production. Coconut aska etugo no de charcoal export very creative business idea.
Yeah,
Being so into media events and sponsorship. And also rented equipment. And they say, Boano through the pilot, a man 100,000. Our man can say they equipment. They say, on renting a man or their productions. No, will be a packaging of so Bologna. Who do be interesting? What your communities and when I ever empower Bruno. Ama ma commercialize said ebe ya yenso ebetimi ede sa ni maybe kura kwa mono no yakoton that ni anya for exchange.
Alright. Ovi Gansanti, you be share ni mo the launching and everything no na mama ya swati na yezo so ama Ghana ade share hunu ne ekoso me da sipi.
Me da sipi aminu.
Okay. Oyini ene kwabna na ura we.
Boama. Monday, Thursday, no bra. I just say we should have Papa Bruno.
I know Thursday, oh.
What's the work hands, but I know doing such in neck time. I don't know what.
And then Thursday, oh.
Teja.
It's Thursday, you do no. So what can I home?
What can I say when you so? O say ya na.
Sir,
obey last kakra.
Okay.
Don't worry. I very necessary.
I know what I'll do.
Say what bre.
Obia ni obre.
Yeah, waba. Ya we dey bra makaka kra bi man kaka sibrana. Ma feel. Abe ma me peg ba. Na ma feel papa. Me too kwai. Wono kwa na frɛ me bra frɛ me. Fie ha we. Asante ebo a oye good obe frɛ ohene wadu. Bra so be frɛ na akɔye. Bo a man so be frɛ. Na me se na ya odi amfra na be frɛ me. O frɛ ne wife busia se ne ma nyina da na kwa mu a.
Abrante.
Anso to see my address inside there.
O akwata mo ha me produce we akire o.
Who produce who ame?
Onya wo bi ntina me attend to o mo for.
Obo see my address inside there. Na hu me. Ma tuche 3. Mini sika nyu kire se me tuche. Ma fa me wan kasa. Ma tuche 3 so mini 1000 so nyame ne me bo afo.
Oh yes.
Ma tuche 3.
Vim. Resolute.
Focus and firm.
RFF. Resolute, focus and firm.
Bra, who ye good. Hey, Alvin. Oh, daddy, what tried the end of
RFF.
Yes. Firm, resolute and focus. And one year name. I said, Bearman. I said, Bearman. Boblana, you have
PhD. Now I'm afraid PhD.
Man, what's a PhD?
Patriotism, the patriotism.
Now, and now, alcohol.
Canada,
PhD. What was the mood and the atmosphere?
But I said, how do you free me?
No, sir, I'm not a cohort. He said, about my relax. Why, about
I would tell me there, near ma, I am one way and say, in Sunni Tonua. Still, Nani Pano, Ejim, na. Rocky akwata enso ni tono a nipa ni ginam na ase do bia pere am say mase enso to him still so ye beginam Canada Japan ti ye beginam afi omo se Yankopon ya adomo ase this week o se dey obeba Ghana
say obedru Ghana obeba Kumasi Friday.
Yes,
something like that. Yes. Is possible say oh baba be fa Kumasi Friday, Saturday, Sunday or
me do hona me ka say be abantima boys ne oni tua e hona ye tua na nya abantima fo nko an ebi free atwemanwa bi eja south ebi free atwemanwa bi eja north ebi free nhyiaye so ebi free kwada so chese bebre
party for
delegates me constituency women's organizer me constituency me polling station chairman me say na boldly o ka kire say me say yaba yehunu say asomasi wei ena no kre yemfa bibia nto nchen me bia Ghana jira sisi no yehia no so be movie oman no ede akwa animu wei eye NPP supporters ene NPP mindi kra dokono
kasa
ena yesi another group bi so yesi from say disappointed NDC CPP other parties no so enkrofo esoso di omo so be ebe gym be support we mu say omo de omo free NDC omo free other parties but omo de no omo kan say Canada Japan and NPP delegacy omo so e no omo ye press conference no so omo de ne ba omo support omo techiri NDC echitafo ne CPP ne other parties o omo ba ho no mo omo nsema na omo e kan no nti akota me de kanena me fi say honorable Canada Japan ni nsemi na say
na me hu eni brene eni dene eyo na me fi say wo so na bo kere de Japan no be kana semo a na fe kire mpanimfo bi ni makasa enti magye mu me
sana na hu no
sana na me hu no
but after nra no any boys na ni be edu ba bi ko mo ses e ma ni bi ses wa ma omo abekọ akọfa na fi ni fie e de na ba begina yeso omo se ye wa abo a kire ba we de omo fe ni nipa kire
omo fe nipa kire na ko nipa na
nipa kire omo aba akọche no
ai omo akọche no e de na ba begina on the ticket of MPP, even cross MPP, also omo ade ne be ba be contested presidency of Ghana. We eye mau e ma besia me person me bobi di but e bia na me bo omudi na aha because omo ye constituency executives omo ye polling station ayi party ne so the statement abanom ne ade say he no ma nyum but enra omo nyina
and they were in the rains.
Yes,
so boy ya ojina o say ne car ki nyina
omo nyina gina nsuo ni mo nsuo eto enra nyina omo gina mu na omo wie de ne jai se surukufuo no firi he so mo firi he woni tua between GNTC ho no mo de Kokocha Center gate na no eh na unuaba adwoa no e banku o gate na adwoa banku de wonya adwa ai
so how no me press conference
so sa mami so no so
why
mami no obi abe ko penkuruma nkwan na je so ndi wa secretary ya sembe
why
Omai
mami tio Kennedy asemi asa agra so fire
na omai yenua na kasa na no kasa se baby aga na do yehia obi anani edin ye obetimi move omai forward ye answer na ye papa JJ beba no na lima anom na ho satam na JJ se Ghana I say JJ be ye niema me ye bodge ne so ne ye friend small Jesus kola ewi ase Ghana fo se ye hu president ya wo ni pabone se JJ Roden seda esa ye ne den ne niema bi ode bai papa kufuo bai hwe papa kufuo karata onye kikau hwe dwuma pa mampani kufuo ye Ghana bakwasem ye ntimi nyi mfiri mu da papa tamese nso bai ono so na mu saa ye pa asomdwe ono so ye ne dia na me ame papa me mame lodi na kum enso bai obe ne dia wan na ne den cha na dan kwakufu ado Omanhene eye times and seasons brenu a wo beba bedi mampani no wiase adane no ene be kire wo de wo betimi aye tinye so obi ane eden ene ye de be mampani otumi ye bibi wonne wo ho wiase mu eye obi na ye ne dia enti se bibi etimi si ma oni ma nyina atumi sei ana wono so mampani no wonko awani hwe ba bia na nakufu ado ama ne hu asesi e beka so ofesi ye nipa bi etwa ne ho ahia etu nko awani edea wotumi nsole nkogina keti antwea ba so baburu obi wodi obi na beto ho se wonye na dwuma na se nipa na ntumi yankoye ni yi a ene e bekekafunu e ma beka dampan
nipa na yankoye ni yi a ekekafunu ka dampan but peninu nso so resolute
and focus I know
and firm
it wa mai
eno na mema nipa no se obi ya de na nya obepamo no obetima yi na die eno ya resolute
obi anso wa ne
focus and firm
everybody obi a wa ne hawo
eno de every day that thing is there
it wa mai yakwa ya nim de fonka games ye hu bebere e olonka e fonka e ho anwan ene kwama ba system nim nipa na yenka mom yenko eti het onipa ya bo amateme nka be peka kra breme eno so betimi asi mebwa se komde ti antiku nipa no
to won say de o mo
ye yakoto eti se me wona fam atiku a na mapama he ni t-shirt gina nsuo mu a e de o be peka kra breme eno so ho ba agro ne form inshallah sada no eni be unde be MPP delegate de dom tumi ye de bebre ye be bodua koda so ye betumi ato atia ye wi ane adane dua no be wa
kwabre
Omanhene Canada Japan oka Ghana sikafo Ghana habesi ni pedu a waka ho no ye kase obi e business tycoon papa no gina na so Omanhene so be ka PNDC era ne papa judges me ansabi no hono banwa na Kennedy na ne papa kasa line ho an
enye
o ka Japan
sorry Japan na Maheda akan Kennedy ho asem kakra bra wo trinity a wo yese oba no Omanhene say ubie lines no tum ana wo all the regions no a wo say asa ade no ye ba akopɛ why Kennedy
What is a go for it? Some of the Kennedy by man for
obi kura no a wo gina MPP mu se sia bidi kura no or call it for Kennedy. And the question is why Kennedy? A dear na lacking tia call for Kennedy. A dear na Ghana phone so gidi se Kennedy ne betimi aye. Ya na do danko akufado enimu ye ana ontumi nye. Ye nim Kennedy Japan se we nipa ba ko a na ni edene. Ghana on say ye penipa obetimi atia yen, obetimi a control yen. And a Ghana so hunu say Kennedy eye that type. Wo kom na se badwafia abadwako ye hwe enkraton nsam so no wore na ye chairman nti kasa de papa no woni mu kasa pa obom a wote hu se obom na Omanhene ba bi ade ne keka ko no se ye sika nko ade ankanya problem se Kennedy benya yes se sika pa na nka bia ye settle delegate na nka omunye silence there enka ye simple crowd de ma Kennedy because we Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na do danko akufu ato ene alankojo kire Martin ene do okeka ho bia akopre no hwan a Kennedy sande tall in terms of sika yen
personally you no awo ni sika
Eshanwan kasa ya kasa obi wo sika
obi wo nwane no mu an so na bi dem
Kennedy e wo sika ankasa
yo
ena emaburu no so de ntem emaburu nani abre ne se onya meye wo mampani no Omanhene wo hwe emaburu no emaburu ehye nase ya bosome so papa yi tua wo moka Ghana ni babru
7,000 words.
Ghana ni babru bia me hona me hwe ade ni
flo. Alent will be in that bia offer ni pa.
Oko Central Region.
Largest co-store.
The largest co-store.
Yes.
No be o Ghana e fa ni pa 8,000.
Oko enkran so a.
Papa be boa ne
wo company kese a air condition ho adwuma no mo ye.
Yeah, crane.
Yes.
Crane air condition ade nyina.
Ana wo ye obi nso a na ni da form utim ho se wo ye obi a wo ye leader se maburu no.
Wabra ni na form to be more brain yeska.
Yes.
Share.
Obi wo ho no mo na ni na form ya bobra na beto no.
Ah, so no say no.
Oh, sa de.
Wabra wo bobra de ma obi a ho.
Ya na ni na form.
Oh, be say no.
Yes. But me hunu no say Omanhene yanso Kennedy nso nhwe.
Sana hunu.
Sana me hunu. If you say oh, meba. Omanhene yan try Kennedy nhwade. The entire make us yan try Kennedy nhwade ne say Omanhene na do danko akufado bra na wo ba no. Ne style na ye hunu say e be one of the best in Africa. Say the papa no sitie, wo hwe ne background ba bia na wo free ba and in the political field. Say na nisi abre wo komra mu a wonim de ni ade. Enna Ghana fo hunu sa papa no ya feli kakra. Into this time round no yan try jeje suni bi nhwade. Because obia cite example was cite Papa J. If you say hu sa style bi wonu mu a na wotimi control Ghana for wotimi tia Ghana ni ama Ghana ni hunu say adwuma weni I employ me say me na be.
Bottom line is indiscipline in the system no.
Why a dose wo adwuma.
He seen say obi obetimi a check it the
yes.
I put it the
yes. The Auditor General report about bonten. Why den na ka kire wo. E den na ka kire wo. 2021 Auditor General report about. Very simple.
I saw something at Ghana Gas. Also on the airport time of Ghana Gas.
Okay.
On the clock system, I call Ghana Gas.
Okay.
Yes.
So see how you work out Ghana Gas. The whole Ghana Gas, Ghana.
Yes.
Oh yeah, Juma Oha. Anopa urema. O'clock one san urema.
Okay.
Board chairman form the da yini nyina. So me board chairman.
Yes.
It will be empty me.
Yes.
93.1.
Enti
ura office or Ghana Gas. Time I would be pay. Time I would be lunch. Time I would be pound. You clock.
yes.
Ghana how?
Yes.
And you know we na brochire. I say brochire ukoye djuma o'clock. O pon o'clock. Very good. And he has done it here.
Okay.
All shas here no move so ntumi enne busagana gas ni bia say.
Yes, I dey be san bo tri so.
Busagana na je oyini ni so mema ubedi utiri so bon ho kwade a utimi ye bibia. Say John Magafuli.
Na ni eten no.
John
Be ye. But ye be kasa wo.
Oyini.
Ye hu bi.
Oyini John Magafuli when 5 years.
Ye ni pesu no adi.
John Magafuli.
Transforming
When 5 years wo
Covery yes.
Ewo Tanzania. Ebesi ne Julius Nyerere mo na J independence no me ade ma Tanzania. But almost say omunya no su leader da. When 5 years old.
Yes.
Magafuli ne akufa John Nalado na buy. Oh 2020.
Yes.
Oh.
John Magafuli. Hey, custom to say damwa. Penny4 ono no buy 2 years o man independence. Omo calculate sika di be independence no. Or the hospital bed the whole nation.
That's right.
TMO. Say your leaders are obukan ho ye adwuma. But when he said this is my vision, we are cabinet minister and I was saying I'm person me house me cabinet minister on pray. On the phone you bet you yes. And you know on to hospital beds. TMO hospital beds. Na Tanzania hospital beds ni ho. Was independence ka on be twade di no. For 2 years o man ni. On to hospital beds ni machines say hospitals in Yina. The 3rd year also I'm independent. Come for class woman who say leader leads
by example.
The independent no can the force show
yes. Model the way for
yes.
follow.
Donald Trump and your COVID ne kasa ne niema. He gave America one of the best wealth. Donald Trump. Very good. But no anya the COVID in niema ye. Americans felt say COVID management was poor. Now Donald Trump no name ye me amato. You no name Marco Disco ni ade. Niema no aye. Obama no no wi. Ni ti na said that time na ayi. Ayi ni ho. That be that time no na it was not expected. He was lucky said that social media ni ho. On the metro na aseme to no nya. Go abontinya no she wi. You see, the issue is this. Can Canadian Jean Paul change the paradigm in Ghana? Will the NPP delegates vote for him? And only assembly because until me a flag bearer without the vote of the NPP delegates.
Yes, but Omanhene, yeah, delegate no muti kurum hay. Ni delegate ay ni mo no de. Easy second debate me ya change you Omanhene. Omanhene. Yeah, delegate no more sister. Yeah, delegate no more swami has it. Omanhene. I'm telling you, say yeah, delegate no more swami has. Omanhene. Delegate is a crowd amount, just one call. Just one call, say Kennedy.
Let me be out.
Oh, now
no, I didn't want to have
Obato.
Delegates so there. Only 100 more jar.
Justin Kodia from Pom. Adea Akye Abia Akwa Park in the night was clear. Say John Bodu. Obi no know what you do Justin Kodia from Pom. But guy is
simple.
I'm for
the Sikawura Park and so. I'm for the Sikawura Park and so. Delegates and say this time, yeah, delegates Kroya almost said this time. Omuhia a Canadian Hine a Japan.
But Abia, something region delegates mean other regions are not talking like
my home, me who Northern BB caucus. Oh, when yes, in Fluswasem.
What do you pair? Assembly can. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, Don Mama, Canada, Japan, any Akopre,
Alan.
What do you fire 10 minutes more, Mrs. and be a phone as across Ghana and the was so massive.
Mamene Dennis Apia Labi, looks president to Chenkomo. Maybe a humanatu.
Okay.
So, where dear, maybe Niobi, Debbie. Mona Wakotin of our catch there, maybe I want to man pay. Obobo Dimbe, Messi Alan, Don Mama, Akopre, and Kennedy.
Obi no ka say you for need you am Kennedy asem.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Odi o wi ama me 1 minute na me fa ne e koso o Ghana e African countries.
So I tell you 1 minute come Obi a microphone call. Dennis Apia Labi. Hello. Hello. I can't my microphone is I have somebody on the line. That's on Casa Coho. Sir,
Me to be told.
hold it there. I have somebody. Hello. Me will be online, so my men in Casaway. Dennis Apia Labi me watching.
Dede wo studio o mintimi nse.
Ah ni ye nchinu ashubi esi. Oho ya de.
Yankopon de adom na wonso emi ni.
Ya da oba de ase. Abetoja na And Gratani Bia report to say, Omanhene say, I think we should have a broader conversation on free SHS. If you must see Nux for Mokosra, no, the papa ni two and you not just say, why a crowd will say free SHS, no? So mobile near your friend, no, review crown, Sasan or Moka. Omanhene, dear Sempote, no catch them more. Yeah, they are not quite a reporter speech.
Me, I read them that the Benam in Chas and Kubakwama was here for any in the studio in an old summer place. I didn't see the brain, so why is it?
How did there be a
so? Mubu Bugana, when I'm moving Ghana, and you say, you do my I be at Ghana school for, and you could be President Akye Abia. And you're calling the answer cartoon and some back in the India. You did it on him upon function once a monk in the Menuya. The marketing a basic school infrastructure and things. And they say, you have to not be Mukaka. You're being Yakoke, so on. You can nothing allowance that never see Julie. I buy you can watch them. You have scholarships. Adani Asema Yintia and so on. You can no guarantee student loan trust fund sticker income that can want them. You can school feeding program and so on. You can just check more for Ghana and say that can want them. But you know, president and some kind of not so come out only you know, so much. Only a young king, I want to say, I cannot. You don't come for now. No, just on two once and another once and September to the training allowance. Emma, and before. And no more not
Dennis was the president was surprised at 10 months in 2 nursing training allowance. Hello, Dennis, what do you mean? I am worried. Even the more to note that nursing training allowances have not been paid in the last. Okay.
We'll look at it. This way is coming. If we know that you say, look, President, if someone who go for my office, I'm making enough to say, a sika and you near the Abogan school, bra. You need to free SHS because do a free of you need to allowance the ticket free of the immunity as president and the first. And combine with you know, in no common a candid conversation. A point and a Chicago or my I already said, you better dedicate and the Becos, the additional Braugana. Me and Papa, I never possible to not share and want them a can't new Chicago, the Bombra. It's not only with free SHS, it was with the entire educational system. No, ITP and said, for best to say, on my nina, a look down. Yempen once a month can say, you percent you do come ye. Because of what on my energy to best say, oh, additional Ghana.
All right, Nasa, I know the honor can before, and he will have to initiate to say, may call for a broader consultation or a broader conversation. They probably maybe through Ministry of Education. But the work can say he is ready. Say on the Ghana for be far journey. Ewo yadisuan ho ni suku ho to ye ho meboa.
You.
Okay. Dennis Apia Alabi meda asianope. Okay, the conversation was heating up as to whether the NPP delegates will vote for Kennedy Akompre Japan, as to whether they will vote for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, Alan Kojo Martin, or Akopre. So far, Omona you omanim asset, Omayo Muti. And Boakye Jakon, no, but don't say, Omo ase, Omo dia PM Kasiepa. Say Jogate Munya, Yanyan Tessa Kwabre Japan, cry no lazy boot. You're gonna have a mampon at any more. But Omo you omanim passes here and who Kennedy, who Bawumia, who Alan, who Akopre. These four are Omo Amam for send the crown and Bafo Akoto lecture university at exactly 4 o'clock. And no more lunch no one kind. And asokore Fiyaza Sokore in a cotton dream. And then so no Omoye no university and Yagro cra. It's just expected say a titania and intrina Akoshama Jumedi Naide Akoso Bafakoto Nebaso Sone a free Akoto Agric minister and Nimfie ya Moye ne ho education fund ne nema Moya mano. Enti ne nyina dimu. Na omo nyina no wo mo nyina gina brane. Ena the former president Susu Jina Brane. Yes. One no Upo NDC the neighbor. Yes. Oh, no. Now, what may we impo? See, or warm me up. See. Now, say, you come out this year. I know you need to have a cabacco now.
Adam, who say former president John Mama and NDC Amanyukune, they are sure better by ye. Me who say Professor Joshua Labi, a t-shirt. Any more flag near the DB and the Aquaco Papa no Jiran and chain. Now I trust here. This is in support of the next president of the Republic of Ghana. And I'm saying,
that's not any campaign manager.
Yes. Who's that Professor Joshua Labisu
contested? Now, almost all of them. That contested him for the 2020. Obian contested.
Former President Mahama Diana Kwakweti said another Danko Kufuado, Omodene ba 2016. No. Na MPP ni option. Say na Alan unity. Na man for you muti.
Say no money Alan Kasai. Adeni monum ni Oma Kasai, but they didn't listen.
Omo buy. But na MPP delegates actually say on one year vote on 94%. On omo endorse no.
No Alan fair no say. Ya twama mi buma.
E been former President John Dramani Mahama no. The beer dia dance here. Say NDC delegates, NDC grassroots fee say or no any edene ba 2024.
Fee say yes. 2024 no. Maybe say okofa candidate fufra. E dia no obeka che Ghana for. Say muntu aba mame na.
All the new ideas.
Dabi. Obetumi de necessity bibi so. Got 37 hospital. Legon hospital. Me na me yewe. Me na me introduce you. Me na me see Accra Dubai. Interchange e-blocks me na me. Oh bibi to tell Ghanaians. And tell Ghanaians so we be MPP for no be dada mo. Enti na mount mase. Oh bibi 2020 o kan bi. Bana Ghana for fi said be Adanko Kufuado Ntwaso. Now MPP is representing a new face. All together. A new face. Your mama's face has been on the ballot. This is the 3rd time. And easy. So why not one people more? Obey my breaking jinx, no.
I wonder no crew woman say. And from a be started anytime beyond from a be started say about Africa has here a connected to other African countries in 2012 and from a be started say about African countries, no. Africans edgy to mu say ya try Oluman for no. Let's go for the younger generation no momoye. And almost started with Uhuru Kenyatta in Kenya. You best started with Jonathan ewa Nigeria. And yeah the John Dramani Mahama beso so etwa so sa ko other African countries. And 2016 almost say Mebruna moye. Yes and go back to your Oluman for no. No almost started with Yaradu your friend say Buhari no Akufuado Magafuli and then Crawford no asaso baye almost aso baye and almost say Oluman for lawyer for ne education for na konta still almost said am why it almost started at the African countries now started at the they are going for businessmen when you akoso Kenya akwana we win say friend say Ruto no tonkoko friend say Boris B you are not tonkoko wa yen koko tonkoko nya Boris B yen no Ghana say Gabrok den and you be na sa aga mine no ye we feed omu kro no mo say kai braso ye former businessman no to aso e bia si in South Africa MTN papa na MTN ye ne dia me can say ye ne dia because they the largest shareholder of MTN
on the president
omu boni din hwan
Ramaphosa
Cyril Ramaphosa and then on the lead South Africa you see African economies perform what is here about South Africa din Yes, African economies perform a bubu a dirigu. What is here about South Africa? They say South Africa economy.
So previously, almost the Olumane.
Previously, almost the Olumane. Papa no, be worry, baby. Your friend say. Zuma, and I'm the nebedi idea. Or be worry way. Ne die na die ni ti sa die bi. Osio, wo worry wo sa. Eno ja money tan go ho. Na mo kofa businessman buy in Cyril Ramaphosa.
Say
that Enframana started Bobio Africa.
To who Kennedy say?
Yes.
Or win. But or winning.
Akuta me say, oh dear. Okay. So winning here. Enframana started say about Africa. Ghana ya die bi. African countries in United so. Ghana ya koto aba in 2012. Nana Danko Akufo so ntiase. Enka Africa pa koto aba no bi so ntiase. Ki ebe kwasi krono. By a court. Ghana court no. Kenya follow suit. Nigeria. Another African countries also
Togo
almost say Ghana for court. In the na was here yes you court. Some from money started say a bow African country bia a twas court yes.
But asamba kusini and from maybe so bow Africa. Elections almost called 2020. Almost all leaders elusui.
A friend say
leadership no bebre lusu almost seats to new president but nana won
nana Danko Akufo Addo ne age no eye covid if you are seeing na be born abaso ehona sa ne famous quote to be we know how to
bring the economy back but we cannot bring life back
ntimi nyane no sa de across the world
save no
edu baby cross obekaya World Health Organization conferences and we address world leaders any African leaders on Zoom. How was he manage COVID senka COVID ya ma edi abia say edi bibia say COVID senka COVID ya ma
kono so benefit
COVID wa benefit ba yes ya get to e ja ko cha from man start say bo e wo Africa we African country we African political party position we na ehwe ne yekoso e wo other African countries
a boy exactly 30 azuba how betrase ba ma me kwa homa no so
incoming general secretary
incoming regional secretary
okay incoming general secretary say general secretary so won ko bio ntizu bankwa
e say don ka so won ko bio be say kwa no tum osi agya no party agya no obi adea
okay
wo na general secretary ne duma bi na office person ogi chama ya na ko ani
o general mazuba mra say young boys
Zuba the oba regional
they be won ko national akoja ye drum kra
Zuba nu ho
me dukra
Zuba nu national
they be oba jelo
bi nko hye
akoja me drum kra makwa akwaje lorry fa abakumati
yeah baba ma me ahoma we ndipa abubo mu din given the opportunity who would you vote for from the NDC John Dramani Mahama MPP Mahmoud Bawumia say he's the flag bearer. MPP Alan is the flag bearer. MPP Akopre is the flag bearer. MPP Kennedy is the flag bearer. Giving the opportunity, why now be to Abamano? And yet, Kumasi na maybe Ahomano. Mo show me TV so ni Ghana nyina. O amano ni opportunity babra. Why would you think say obe to Abama way? 0551 931 931 0551 931 931 0548 931 931. Mami Tio, hello, good morning.
Good morning, Omanhene.
Achohanye.
Omanhene, I'm asking because I say about for me police station, me police secretary about for Johnson.
Okay, Mami Tio, that is all MPP ni.
Pure.
Mami Tio.
Omanhene so on a walk in Japan bar, me met to my baba in Japan.
Thank you. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Achohanye. Now drop it. Hello. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Achohanye.
I'm a free Marco Abuaka.
I ain't you an pay.
Omanhene, your mama do Diagoro. Maybe a metro by my Baumia.
Thank you.
This force. I met my John Dramani Mahama.
Hello, good morning. Hello, morning. Acho, why am I radio now? Go for my mente unka. Hello. Hello.
Good morning.
Aha, when you obi pass over to
me Kasafi Dipaka Mandi Political.
My entail.
Oh my, maybe I may share Omunina and Kennedy and on top. To me, as I could do, a great sector to me.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Hello.
I told my TV and I radio in call for Mammy. Why?
Hello.
Hello, Pacho Yentil.
Good morning.
Morning.
I found you make free their mind.
Yentil and pay.
The sense meant to have my MPP that the Japan bar and one of my family.
Okay. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, no mind.
Pacho, when you?
Pacho, from in Bempa, make us a fiacre. Now,
from Accra.
Candy bar, the 3 month one, Nipo more on the trouble month, Nipo Waka, bear 20. The Domina document one or so. Because Candy in second JJ direction on any Kennedy.
Hello, good morning. Hello. Good morning. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, why you?
But from Kabiru Kasafin,
Kadiru me enti wa no pay.
I'm pumped. Kasani and somebody me trauma Mahama. Because if it's one what baby da.
Thank you.
Hello.
Mom Penny John Dramani. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Why you?
We need to come over.
Free he.
Yeah. Mr. Free, I tell you, I'm not saying.
I ain't tell no pay.
Me NDP 30 members here. Now, one thing that for you, market here, will be no man gun and say, NDP woman come on the bar, and that's about in Japan.
Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
I saw when you.
If I get from us,
Casa free he.
I'm a baby.
Casa free.
Hello.
Say my TV in cop from Okasa free he. I ain't tell no pay.
I'm a penny man at the trouble and the diamond.
I'm a penny Mahaman. Hello, good morning.
No one is here to Manu.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho me until Okasa free.
Like I said, free Kumasi.
I ain't tell no pay.
You work in Japan, one year, but 12 Manu, Momanamra.
Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Morning, why you?
The family called Pastor Daniel Cocu from Mr. Casua.
Casua, me and Tio no pay.
I'm better than I can say. My country, me, you didn't remember we here in answer. Young woman, and he said, Canadian Japan, I'm for the name you didn't remember in I.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
So, why you?
And but your friend become Casafri Pancrono.
I mean, Tio no pay.
But your Mesrom, I'm packing in Japan, Lawa, yes, no boy.
Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Bebacho, why you?
I am going to make a friend as me police station a secretary. One case me come from Kennedy.
Okay. Hello, good morning. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Pacho, why you?
Pacho, a friend, Mr. Dujanfi, because it's free a fan.
I ain't tell no pay.
Let me say. Kennedy, yeah, Penpa, Omaji, Ajankwa. My 10. The sick, I mean, any woman to see in Betuamano.
Oh, good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho, why you?
The Mamma Picture.
I ain't tell no pay.
Maybe Canada, Japan, by Metroman, and NPP for Canada, Japan.
Okay, hello, good morning.
I just said my Lucas.
My until
the Pacho,
for my case was your no for and piano Akye na me yes to abana me to ama John Dramani Mahama.
Thank you. John Dramani Mahama. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Acha hwanye.
But the some coming to Kasafi say the vision Western North.
Enti wa no pay.
Because yeah, you to Ganaza, I will NDC Kataripa. They say Ghana for any idea, Dom Hama, and head in a bar because why you did that.
Thank you. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Acha my TV no conform why? My TV no sound on conform.
Good morning.
Okay, Safri.
Hello.
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 Yeah, good morning.
Morning, why in
But your friend Adakabre.
Adakabre free.
Because free Western North.
I ain't tell no pay.
You see, you to Abadia, come to Dom Hama.
Thank you. Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Why in ye?
Melissa for them, Brother Makum.
I ain't tell no pay sack.
When I book in Japan, Wamadia, walk you. Wamadia Mahepa, says, we get in the baby home, what is the
Yeah, pick a last one. Hello, good morning. Hello. Hello.
Call has been put on hold. Please wait.
Also hold Unibi. Good morning.
Morning.
Bacho why
You were quiet.
My until.
My trauma can.
Okay. I'm a fancy her. Yen to asu bill. Yen famu nyina ansi ha. Na yen ma kwan. Na me panel e ofi ha mo nkojima home. Zuba. Join me.
Akonta ayi Yankopon ya adom echina. Ayi dancing challenge na eba so no. We dey ai mesrew.
Tofi akwa yare.
Tofi akwa. Enu na wa ye practice ayi training sa.
Samoa. Sawa no
Tofi akwa.
We tofi akwa mesrew. Enu na practice ya wa ko ye.
Tofi akwa ni.
Now you saw that.
No so.
Asani to ayare.
Oh.
Me da wa mo no Samoa wa no so pa wa mla.
Mo the chow pa brother.
On behalf of on behalf of
Try no na wa ho no.
I no so na that week.
Fire no. Enyuma touch it. Mu bi enyum no.
Sleep, don't sleep. Wake up. Collect your money. Collect your money. Wake up.
Me jina mama. Enya sa me da wa mo no Samoa na soup wa no so pa wa mla. Wa mo no Samoa pa wa mla. Wo hia me. Hey.
Tofi akwa. Tofi TV fiesta.
Akwata wo yare. O be frɛ no.
So Tofi akwa ni ma sa nipa bebrebe ha no so no ne be sa.
David timba bi get Tofi na kofa bai.
Tofi na kofa bai.
David. Ensida.
Akwata mesrɛ wo.
Wo yare pe
Na do yare asa tapoku ho ne ni fenzi ani.
Ne bi sa ade na miensa. Ade ntire ekwa emienu.
Tofi akwa yare.
We dey on behalf of
Kachire we send the video now ma.
Yes sir.
And no be am investigation. Training na all year.
Training na afia no.
Ma send the video now ma kachire hwe.
Training no na afia no.
Rehearsal awa ye. Afio oye na ne baba no say da we dey nkoye. Elo the man kwa hu say nkoye. Kachire hu video no.
Don't sleep. Wake up.
Kachire.
Collect your money. Wake up. Collect your money. Collect your money. Wake up. Tera, go get the moolah.
Yo.
Nani o ma to say?
Yes, I do me hoye.
Bibi aboko.
Brand new body hoye.
Bread my bread. Ejuma pa, ejuma soon na moye no. Ashanti region. I must confess. Munye ejuma we be down.
No. For a fact, DC.
A whole team.
This is the real organization.
National from
flag
the last person to the flag bearer and
and the Northern Regional Executives because I'm chairman
But apart from you're not the regional
15 regions with all executives. Ashanti region. We will be there.
Yeah.
And if anybody is taking what you're doing,
Mr. Regional Secretary, find them count.
Are there still our numbers, no?
Yeah, because I know that is so toy. And I do, I know that I do 9. Me name you for, but still people were coming. Baby or me wanna how much in organizer no. Best I call. I call DJ Adea Akye Abia. And
no membership drive video not
last minute effort. I know that we are
tomorrow say Johnson said get us confirm then count. That's almost so cocoa for
I have a lot of audios requesting for us to add today to it.
What has been the game changer? What has been the game changer? You know Ashanti region is
the game changer.
The
game changer is simple. You see so for na adwuma. I tell you what chef no agadanse. Na mkope gebi. Na gen so on permit but up madam for.
Gen so on pelbo madam
for. Na the boy here adwuma that time mobitel. No team maximum. Nti gen if you say boy never be fana kwa or agadanse a chef mo boy ne be fano. No monko. Nti de bia okobe bia kwa no aba me ho.
No, I'm a train.
Now
in the office.
Na bueno.
Guy not to car no be fako. Now this when you
very good. The third day no. Third time akwa no ba sa na ya akwa na hin say boy we so mpe no. Wonso a de bia na akwa na adwuma. En wo bo no.
En obo girl.
Obo girl no. Na madam fu utai. You had a girl by say ya ma me gina do ya boy ni say bono no. Utai ti was say agree akwe you free muzu you free. What I say? Ku for ye uniform na ne yo so uniform.
Na ma for register. Na enkoye crocodile John there.
Oh there.
Say am for register obeje card no with the intention say bia over power.
Bebre o me MPP for no. The tendency say bebre be santi akọ high.
But ebia abufo ti omo nto aba. Ebi bekem. Because as a more high hopes for 2024 elections in Ashanti region.
All the people are my buafu MPP. I know I'll sell it to somebody at Bantama. Say, Angana, Nipadom free about 120 polling station executives at Chomudi from Bantama constituency. And these are not ordinary supporters. About 120 polling station or former polling station executives. Omufu there, as I Boakye. Trouble mafia for no any person. I'm say omukoye ombuku no ye the mafia be more film. And I was telling some of my colleagues say sanko for na omuba na sentu Boakye edin da omo anono. Me mfa omo nya budget. Because e ko ba se candidate necessary obantema pa. What they are saying so Boakye hu abufu na dey ba.
So
we must as a candidate necessary.
But your drive has been effective. No cry back. Nipa man.
But I'll tell you in one constituency. Now executive back. MPP no about on names are genuinely akwanaba. No one any could din komobi. Executive no. Eni mi say bi akwa ensakra no so adwumpo bi no akwa na badoka say mo executive we no hwenie kaza ensakra yi nkomo say mo de machi embo amo omo kwa ye meeting e wo ho papa no ko bi as soon as he saw that executive okaje say mo ma ko ita be baba mesa ko be am free by
Sompa go ne kasa no
so who said genuinely he's coming with passion. What the point I'm saying? Now me in all of this, me say, one also ye MPP ni, wasakra, waba NDC, wabetua 20 Ghana ne dia mai. Minjin this NA MPP base hard drive no wa. So omo members no mo ha na omo truding. Ye ji 20 cities a ombenya sa numbers no nya no. It doesn't mean that your numbers no has in one. But and she say o ma yo ni abraba o ma bono A bad day pass will be in the 27th the MPP card.
No, but the MPP says they have 2 years to change things in the economy. Omo say almost to Tony ma did they be brain no
you never
by 2024
the reality of it is that the reality of it is that it is the work of the politician to always inspire hope.
And you think they are not inspiring hope?
Until they meet you, say, or say, obey 10 things around in 2 years.
Now,
he's only inspiring hope within his support base.
Now,
oh, now, which one? Now, you want a paper. Also, watch na metro 3. One who can't join me. Into dinner, just over the metro 2 according to 3.
And they tell you it's a global trend.
Which global trend? Is Togo not part of the global world?
Togo is part.
In the last 6 months, I did turn 2,000 sefa. Or back on net, I see a 2,000 sefa. It will be catch him said there been global trend. Global trend, I'm a child qua Sika, and Yahu didn't sing Ghana. I become Mukwabin, come up and say, Ska. Once again, need a child who be so SSS Kada. That's uncle for an I say almost Sika Yahu didn't say was a global trend. Global trend be. Global trend in a mere my yard, yes, global trend, Burundi, which in the last 3 years was the worst performing economy in Africa. Abesanya. I'm almost a brand in the city, a city. Which global trend? I didn't know part of the global world. No, yeah, cried the end there. So, global trend, it came to benefit the president. Beckon, yet COVID on tax. Meboa,
yeah,
COVID in India.
Almost the rare COVID, they want to.
Now, so catch us or Chemunsu, me manumbi, me mombo. Can I also them a prove as a mania bida? Some free be mania bida. Into also the idea chain. Saubwa, would you beji vote? One fan chain. What do you who was a half for 2 years? Huh? Yeah, that's what Gia who for 2 years. Yeah, that's what Gia COVID. Not COVID, no, yeah. Eh, what ya? Ya Gia who taxes bekane. It is minima dia or pesa COVID in your money bill. The COVID abu abedri. And now that's what you have COVID who tax.
COVID tax.
COVID tax. And today now say COVID na be how. Adea ya ekwe. What that's what you want to.
Said this can be a remuno.
This cannot send you
PPs are hold on toy and name.
And that's over 28 billion and Sakai and Omoya who accounts now. 7 was 11 be short 2 Vivian will be a fire. And also
7 in the some of the support to budget.
Budget bang.
2021 budget.
Tiafi. Nadia was cano 128 billion. What the higher expenses also the cost to PP. It is here was outside the two and Sunuka and now the Tom Una not ye be still what's hard with you who's country ya woka say and now mudi tiaka and anything. Size can only a tiaka and yes idea twas idea tiaka. I don't know 2 times for me a guy. That's why you're impressed with Rumbino. COVID Ghana is the only country in the sub-region of COVID boy mampeni. COVID that cost one will be requiring $130 million frontline. Hey, COVID the boy more criminal. It is a son or massa.
Or massa say. The government. How?
Yeah, what hey? So go Bob Bissia. What one thing. Now who the Cotos are din? Tonam Chikusua Toso. No, you're no man who did now fans. That I hear ye, O Manabaka Zampa, that I hear ye. What's a panamta? But Sebi and say, Huna Woody. What I say? A busy any time now, the ye, Sardine, Kusiama, or Yereno, my dear, no mal fans. And so Sakutia. No, quite busy in Simone or Yabisiana crowd. No, as I quite busy and fufro. Aba betia bisia na ode koto sardine ma oyere no mama mo bo abasoro edie no na okwaje bisia betua ne nsi hu na bisia na nkasa ho na second bisia no so ne nsi hu aba na wasa akwaje another bisia ya wo trafia wo japade a eni infienum ye mfa ne nyina wo de kan kwe.
Oh yes, and wash your japade
because wo bisia e de ama obedidi afa na ensi hu ne ka no na wo bisia na ode tua ka ne sa wan fa sika ne ba kokura anya adwuma be mo sika. Enya no na President Kufuor the new over at home.
I know na on my Ghana.
I
don't do omu ye ene dia ho che na be na see $750 million here by ye there
Afrimex no
ye there
they be show up city
they be show up city in which productive sectors
so I'm the be akwan 750 they move $40 million be to am interchange.
Yes, I mean that you see the no for parliament is akwa James Kabe.
I say they are buying a sika ba asesa na adwene ho a.
Yeah, what them tell. It is a wo boom minus wa planning ya. Me buy na mudi nkume na mu kana mampenya no hemsre.
Oh yeah.
Mampenyi. Wo de kuro akwa kusu epunin finfin. Afi na opedi obetwi.
So say education there.
Aye.
Oh, also he's ready for a broader conversation on.
Have we not called for this long ago? Have we not called for this long ago? And what did they tell us? Those of us in opposition. And where's one of his mama? Good. And you call it for Sadena Mahama, call it for now, and they will call it for the same thing.
No, one can review. I'll call it for conversation.
Conversation, it will culminate in what?
It will bring sanity and probably change one or two things.
And when you change one or two things, have you not done review?
Mm-hmm.
What's the point I mentioned? I say, me catch you the last week I told you that this government is not a serious government. So how school now must see what? Almost say the creative house school must see what? SHS, no. Yeah, me them last better because a very wasteful expenditure. They said they said the warehouses now wasteful expenditure. Warehouses was you. And for so ben pan dia mai. Say me warehouse back who aye adwuma. Me who be? What the pan maintenance? Me who be? Me who back ewo kumawu no. Me who back adujama amakum eko aketiakum. What the maintenance? I see some. One I drive and I see some. Emudia na eyi adwuma. And so what's the value for that? And in his inaugural speech, he told us he's going to give us value for money. It is a man petty catcher, say, Oba your warehouses. Now, Pami, warehouse. Now, before by your warehouse, no, man penny the production alignment. Well, who say, Wokume, a juma me or buy tomatoes, dear. You produce 60,000 hectares of a friend is saying tomatoes. A bar in the peak period, no, you benya 100,000 tons over a period of months. The 100,000 tons you benya over a period of months, no. It is likely to be almost 60,000 tons for the local market and for that matter beyond the local market. The 40,000 tons, no, you better apply technology up as even a warehouse. We don't do all those things. The any production levels are yenya. Ni akusi warehouse. Afi tomatoes no. Ye de ye wi akuma ka akusi a enyema na asaka asako. The tomatoes no enso to. Nti warehouse no be ye den.
Sompa 93.1.
Adujama. Ade omo ye wo ho pa ye omo emu. Ena sa ahaban bi na ye de ye wache no. What say?
I'm no say that.
No, I'm no more the tongue watch. I have be is why I say bro. Omucha no mahata. You know watching and I am what I say. Yen share hectares are the whole area. Omoye in the area of rice. And yen share Saadi and so hectares omoye. And yen who tons do ombetimi produce over the peak farming period. It's not quite a warehouse no war. What's the area? The omoye no subsistence farming. There's no large scale farm there. The first thing you do is the program Ben now be ya obetime derive economics of scale. Increase productivity before you think about the warehouse. But because of Adea baby, it's just because of baby aka in the news. So the coordinated effect that we are supposed to get in the say what we see school say we look SHS for creative arts. Yeah, in curriculum program for creative arts in a way.
They will create one for them.
When? And you see, in the arts, a talent. In the arts, a talent. Obi or talent for enyom, obi or talent for asa, obi or talent for drama, movie, and then you give the person basic education. And until I say movie, no movie, young old system, we're against it because the old system, Form 1 to Form 3, I did 15 subjects.
Yeah.
Out of the 15 subjects, and one because I will go anymore. Now, I remember they took me to science. I realized that I can't do science. Me and
the make of class, now me French. First 2 days. I feel my American I'm hearing him, sir. And I'm quite cheap.
Very good. And I'm here, me tifa art. Me subject combination is such that by the time I could do 6 for, I'm here business. O level, I'm here arts. Me could do business, 6 for, I'm here business. But others say that subject combination, I'm here, and I have business. No, me could invest management. But what the point I'm making? It won't say gradually. System SAP me. What I say? Me call me fees. Imagine my whole day because art. No, me do. I say no. Let me branch. Let me do economics, government, business management. What I say? And then you go to university. Then you do public administration. So kaka wasn't SAP. But you say secondary school creative art.
You seem to have a big issue with that.
Look. If there's a particular dedicated school that we are supposed to do for Ghana, it's supposed to be sports.
Sports.
Share my share Birmingham.
Sompa 3.1.
And I share Oregon. And I who the potential of the Ghanaians. And I looked at the Jamaican story. And I've looked at the American story. I've looked at Trinidad and Tobago, Bahamas, and these are third world countries. Our economy, in now they go into Ghana. But so Obi cost sprint 100 meters, no winning at the Olympics, at the World Athletics. It's $100,000. $100,000
for the country.
For the country. In Jamaica. Yes, secondary schools are Uba baby share no money share secondary schools in but more sports and yeah, they must specific schools. So that you are grouping Mupon schooler, yeah, the Marco baby, Marco training. The Kumasi Sports Stadium, Tartan tracks, at the horse, we are bosses, ne eshe. And we name say, Kumasi has 6 time memorial, athletics, potential, or Hakura, Imanokufo, Ashebwe, Murphy, all those people, Omufia. Abu National, all those people they come from here. NTCA was that potential near Waha. Not because unya movie no who say unya shema movie sector no by force you must do something to represent something. Let us be specific and strategic with how we spend Ghanaian taxpayers' money, knowing very well say yeah the 1 city koka say yeah the potential for us to get 2 cities out of the 1 city there kokosha tomorrow it's high. If you don't,
did you do it? More by more ye bibisa. In the end, no, Mudisika Rabbe be a Yasun Faso.
Yeah.
Where?
Terminal 3. University of Ghana Medical Center. KJTA. Registrar General Department buildings. Lands Commissions buildings. And these are our productive areas. So many of them.
Now, Mudisika Raha.
Oh,
you are getting return on investment.
We are getting returns. I'm a frontline Krabinya $130 million of Terminal 3. I'm a Kufado Bakunya shop or Hoye. What I say? Duty free shop in Yanabane. And Obia is paying money. Everybody that access Kotoka pays money. Everybody that access the University of Ghana Medical Center pays money. Everybody that has a shop in KJTA has paid money. What they are not on here? The taxes that these facilities generate. What the point I'm making is, am I iska? Yo, baby, yo, and yo, baby, so what I'm saying is that if you use a buy no expenditure in critical areas, my alignments at least it shows potential. Say a bit me my you could be $750 million. Ye nyani at least $250 there. Project no bit me the my back so that they did tax and there's hope. But wait there, ye could be saying by we are at the this kind of buy and my 1 city. But nipa na adwuma no okodi adu hu dwuma no owo bank bi wo ba o de no agye ne sell se transaction advisor etiga na aboka no business yeye obaka just on director enya odia Unye a functional director. But does it stop you say unye unabio? And the adjuman ya won't come here. But who poor minister now call for adjuman is kind of idea.
Mamma,
so
now what do you say?
Now what to say?
Now what to say?
Okay,
now we have
Bibiaboko, you go so.
When I make us one of my account. Was it? Now I'm in tongue count him. That's a more position. Who also heard me? Now I've been tongue count from
Mammy too. I'm so about Zuba. Now, Comodino. Acquire general issues of this nation with respect to Amemono and in near echo. Zuba and Sema Okanyana say, Mumuna Memono so. Acquire Mofasu Bumino. But see, I'm imagining I never sent car. Modi BP. Na a home is a son of ball mine. But I say a Kojibosia could did the jet Yaka Sana Mudiabedu and then your coffee.
3.1.
I'm sure chief one year, your phone na me sa fa engineer bi ma party mpinyi for Ashanti region constituencies ahodo nyina ne NPP chita fo nyina ne Ghana fo nyina Zuba am say anko betan anka me depa because nsimbi on my was me bisa o ma ne if you go kwese wa penso bi na obi di 10 cities esidan ya o Ghana sabre na you bia na tumi sidan
Sompa 3.1
ebre bia ne nsem a edeba frema eboyi frema bia ne de edeba na okay NDC apenso e frère oba bi enua ba bi Selas Ibrahim NDC for man contracts of 3.6 million. Say on for Chamfuni and Fantata Bass. I found the Bass branding, so Bekaya.
Yeah.
Now can be seen Bisabizu Bass. On him and no one can share me. Sadia now, Moye Sabreno, and fast swap back
3.1.
Okay. I did bro, mine.
Man over one country me. Sabrena now more 3.6 million. Emma Selas Ibrahim no. No bi te abo na asokoroma pon a ope 1 cedi na wanya bi enso mokoye okay Brazil 2014 sabra na ne eba World Cup no a ya time sika $4 million egu play mu eko Brazil no sabra no na a doctor for Ghana a doctor for no mo ko strike omo package yantumu conditions of service kabiba minkebu amemu ayefo wo te aka bi sabre no mo NDC for catch Ghana for say a doctor for no nya o masem mo a machita for ko betumi ama o mo training kakra no mo de ahwenkofo de o mo ka kire no no e ko Cuba e ko for Cuba for by Cuba ni a o te consulting room wo ba no bi say fever malaria o tishi on the one so we Ghana ni o wa se we Ghana ni de malaria na hanu tebia mo de fa mu no no
3.1
o ma ne tda Ghana mfie num ni eni kane a ma panyi dada be ka kire ye se ye charge your phones dodo enu ntina kane a enyina ho no o ka kire ye sabra no na ye tolan cruises e chichen crofo e ko campuses e checkers mama na wuzu ba otia de wo kan say creative arts no ayaye no enye my goodness hey is that how we should run systems down
Sompa 3.1
look Omanhene ye best Ghana for may I lead remember tank I say all is well no Omanhene a concede de bia ye nyina ye concede say Omani mu ayede yes ya kanu sa no ne esa ka ye ho say ye nyina ye nim MPP ba ye na ne ma ye ka se ye be from 2017 ye ntumi anye ena covid ba ya anka ne me alidu me tumi betra anka bibia o
But the justification of the fact say, about way to me, you my partner say, yet to me, I should share Pebby from 2017 all the way to 2020 first quarter match. Obekaya, Omanhene, ye be celebrity safe match with Kumasia. 2 days per bam, COVID. Could you believe, say, when is a Sabreno? Even assemblies. I know what say IGFB. Assemblies to me and revenue.
During COVID.
Yeah, yes. That's what I'm saying. Opera, your checks, nebisa, revenue collectors. Omukokura dan go for attack you. Into omujaye because you see one thing I was say, tell be how you leader will protect the human lives. The security of Nipa or no man. We go Nipa no go mo news of COVID aba. And say hey, Mr. Mo. Because all can say no nim there the baba. Ni nyina sa te bia we num nyina ya famu. And now what ya also wanted that. Sir, waka kwa kopie was a child. Omanhene o the child but to go to the child at to Ghana. Omanhene and now me no work say. Hey? Ghana music in the film industries, your talents. Nigeria, the opera, you Nigeria film. Only so mine. One thing almost pan say, so call restaurant, no mucha. And baby was it? And the local food, and no ya amu di chiro. Sa omo eba no ebe ye den. Bia in some countables and now benya baku fried rice be but most almost green man unim there a promote to the localization of their system. Omanhene yaba inherit system bia yesua matra me no what ye e mo say all the can se pet to me address the way umbrella, way CIC, way the any be our pet. Nigeria, or no, we were son or no, we are no son as rice water, no son is union, 91 no idea. CIC who it on no and no would ye. Ain't you wouldn't need any amount of dollars to go and import.
3.1.
But here we are, BBI import. And then a bad way to me about who say the way to promote the movie industry, you know, say, Ube to me establishing institution, ebe to me attending Bofrano here, Omanhene, Brofuna, and I. Yes, will be one more when you are Konya and Cabrofuna, yet the Chinese Bibia and Yabra, and Coconanim, or to me, ye. Intiane, say, ye basic creative art school. Nibone and away. Anos was nega mo a omu nyina sua bibisa. Omu ko school from scratch. We ye was hu bi da. And this my problem ne say, mo de me en fa bibia foforo ma. Mo fa bibia ma da. Do ma 4 years. I don't know. Policy ba ko mo ka jere. Omanhene he. Look. Say when to anamo a. De bia betna baby a hoti. Me, I cherish Obia, or they be for by innovation. Say be all targeted success. Maybe along the line, no, be about boom. I acknowledge efforts. At least attempt has been made. Mudi then. Omanhene, look. Me tell no mesre. And you see, Ghana for besremo. Besremo pa. The only be done as soon as I am here. Sanko for we no mabada. 2009, 8 year campaign, dear no man country, and Contompo say ya. And on my penny that Akufo, and our talk Ghana reserves in Ghana good. You hear Banco for buyer. One time premium, Ewan. Omanhene, more baby, you know, not Briar Brené, you be new. And no man. Tertiary institutions simple, you better introduce utility payments. Go back here. Yes. And then a byway say, and then you to petrol. Yes. Ensu Ghana for do was saying that to me ensu simply because nimdia no say be any GM BB the human resource. About we say it doesn't matter. O papa o mami a oni bi go school. Anye bi a lay foundation na ma obetumi abel da fi because we ha obi a ofafi wa e na boa wo. Say be ya betumi anya na ye system. System no ti ase say. O capital productivity. Oh, sir. Ye be ya the warehouse buy. Chega abobo ya o de buy say em fa ntosu mfi kumasi dwom em fa kwata chimai. Chega yen awai. Attempt has been made today. Omanhene, warehouse is dotted everywhere. Everywhere is dotted. Yes, young to me anybody. Now so Adea ya shall say no dey. Enchancha won afi. Who shall see anke beto aso? Oh yeah, then tell us. Now no be ya we gina Adea bufu gra no say we akohia NDC lawyers. Hey, Omanhene, hwe NDC magwa. Omanhene, Adami who say yay. We are heading to Abyss. Telling you. Oh, Omanhene. NDC lawyers ni. MPP lawyers ni. NDC doctors ni. NDC lecturers ni. One ni. What you say? Omanhene, Ochina, sa lawyers na omu pictures one for ni mu no. Me ali do za metiase. Now Ochina bi NDC ba. Now we are there saying now say wo ye promote to the bench now be chief justice a. Eho e na abeka kire ye say ye ma kwan ba ye adwuma na ba be pepepe. Beka kire. You see, Omanhene, you can pretend. Look, all the bad case court you lose and lose and lose again. Court yet to buy a winning. What's want to ask court? You besides how did they about so and one TV, Omanhene. What bet now catch on was and I saw NDC lawyer now called judge be an before so bacono. Wow, him say, ya prejudge you should know that I didn't want to kind of I win banana republic. And then I go for ye. Because of say, what the chinchina chain, yeah, Pamamo, yeah, Akonyan, so bad betness. Why you be that? Why you who? Now at it you are. Now, yeah, one ya, Quenya, near Casa, as if somebody a muda, and I say away, and I said away. Hey, dear Zuba, okay. One bet name. One may, Mam, one ya Quenyana. One ya Quenya. Would you be quiet, my bizarre be good or be a quarter room? You're quiet, say, my tea, name your money biscuit. And no, what could lose a kisser? Or be an himself, Nimia bois. Look, Papa, who be sa lawyers on the catcher? One of the fine brains in the legal system of this country in this year, Nimia bois, Ubia, you want to say. Me kai say abra so fa ekufu akọ no a na ye pen successor no obia enimi eboade enimi ebo aba ba chief justice oyipa boni ni NDC muso mu pe bam to the extent of former president. Hey, me ali do menka we because me nim say the city here.
Unim say the city as say.
Unim say the city here say. O draw line. Baby, I offer no baby on my head through. So do when you see Chief Justice so Namaka Samudi, yeah, I had the whole judicial system down. Masa, you're very dangerous. Eti, Omanhene, me, the American say, Ghana for a seremo. MPP by 2017, you know, Munim de Betoye. Unya Kwenya we ya enu nti na mpempi ne so obekasa ne ya refail me no me baby me pese yakoya ni mu the government is working and near ma ban way aye ahogusu ye no look gangachwa
93.1
it is there for everybody to see. It's indelible.
Hold it there for me.
Now let's Ghana and productivity then I'm going to buy.
Okay, Zuba
tells a different story. Facts and the data. Look, I say who stay BBS. Who is against our BBS? Your creative art industry no so far. And omo ye hu dede. Say or say about saving. I did be saving any free SHS creative art SHS. What happened to NAFTI? So Professor Schwarzenegger National Film and Television Institute. If please.
Yeah, you are NAFTI.
Manning we know them. Member opportunity. Go.
What happened to Uniba School of Music? What happened to the School of Performing Arts? What happened to the Academy of Screen Arts? Nina, mama, 4 creative art schools. Build the foundation for the person, and then they do baby when a person will take a career path, because career path within the Ghana educational system are built from the tertiary level. And they should be very pharmacists, young as a pharmacist SHS.
Nazuba, I think soon I won't say from the scratch. It may build a quality talent from the scratch, from SHS na be obekono. Na obesuya English and maths. To say now cause football, or more special football, Bahamas, athletics for Jamaica no. Or field no. Into by the time
but the entire secondary school for athletics so a secondary school na more potential for that thing. Muboba school normal, but more extra curriculum activity is to shape those talents.
Maybe this is the government decision on your person here that's
that's what
we do SHS no. Now baby no. Now we
omo yeah. And me, I don't see the alignment.
Okay.
I don't see the alignment.
You have that opinion.
It will come to nothing. But you see, of course, we use less than 56% of our total revenue to service debt. That's a fact. They are using over 86% of our total revenue to service debt. That's a fact. The size of the Ghanaian economy under a period was 35 billion. The size of Ghana's economy under Kufuor Sika Abanu Kwemuno is 78 billion. Yaba Bemuda, oil receipts 100 million. Kufuor is getting 400 million. And they say to whom much is being given, much is expected. Yaba Bemuda, cumulatively, loans are from President Mills to President Mahama and 100 million. President Kufuor 6 years, yaji over 300 million.
What is you that?
But what the Panamanian? Would you be a gentleman?
Oh, man, we are time. I can't no man amount. And you're now decided time.
You have to be a gentleman.
I
want to deal with the facts.
But do the microphone.
I want to deal with the facts. But what the Panamanian I say? Okay. Let's go to the Auditor General's report. Compare with here India. 2017, 12.5 billion lost. 2022, almost 14 billion lost. Go and check the facts. And yet, you know what the facts now. And one card termina, and you wouldn't wait in here any you know. What to compare yet? They are yes, Rabofo. And no, man, for no, and yet, did say it is important that we bring back Mama. Again, okay, say when I see you run it down Judicial. Now say Ghana yet ya yanka politicians them, yanka judges them, yanka you for them. Omanhene better ye. One chief justice. One chief justice. Now I'm coming to the facts. One chief justice. Koya or Ghana judicial system is
justice and
India boy. Okay, say baby, I now want your board near by no. I was campaigning for him. Okay. I say he will be the first Asantinia obey chief justice. I'm okay. Ubo justice we do ding. Let me catch us justice we do yes we need or betna. Okay, so it means that right from the scratch we're not against him. Bemom Ajumana all you know. How can we have one chief justice? Our Ghana have. Yakoto about Hohoi. There was a dispute. Omako High Court granted say nipa na oye MP no. Ye man kwa mani nye MP. Say Kopenta me be di asem ne bewe. Ye call Supreme Court no. Ni akwashi say yentimi deny am representation. Into on holding himself as MP to time me be di asem ne bewe. The same Chief Justice ye call Techiman. Ye say ohonso yentimi deny Techiman for no representation. I just hear the assembly we into MP no hold you. But I say not quad ye didn't representation assembly anyway. Please. So, no, within the law. No, yeah.
Before,
don't be unfair to Ghana. Ghana, I say nobody is guilty of a crime until a court of competent jurisdiction has so proven. So wait, please. And the court to be unpronounced as we speak. Say, question or Canadian. Court to be unpronounced. The case is not concluded. And the application now, you say, and to see the assembly win. Maybe deny Techima for representation. Maybe deny Hawaii for representation. I say no for. I'm say you can only representation. I'm doing Ghana for. A bill. We speeder. I say no. I did no criminal. I did no qua. There is slow pacer. Yadi Techima.
No, why ne?
Judicial, you know, one ahead. Obi di opuniasem was Chief Justice say menya ne ntem onnyunuga in open court. The Chief Justice catch onnyunuga say opuniasem no ndi ne ntem no onti men kan say Techima de no so mundi ne ntem. You see, we can't have a democratic society where equity does not prevail. This balance of justice must tilt to the favor of the ordinary Ghanaian and our hope for having to accept democracy. Into your case, judicial image, you know, Akwakoye said, those of us in the NDC, ye wo GDSA, Sasem found ye NDC, Nkwanku. And Asem no call,
new Chief Justice.
And Nkwanku, and yes, go GDSA, the chicken Chief Justice, on ye ready say. Obey us answer. He's not worried about that perception. A section of Ghanaians here was a assembly for NDC who he's not worried. And he's not ready to erase that thing. But good thing is that next year may occur retirement. And this year, next year may occur retirement. This say new Chief Justice after May 2019. No, but Adrian say May such a.
But if you know he's going on retirement, definitely there's going to be a new Chief
Justice. Very good. So
the discussion come from the former president. No, you see, that's not me a Ghanaian. But I went to my cousin, why I'm going baby.
And the assembly you did and yet on Yankee Anuntum, Yantribo, Yantutu. We can't do that. We can only criticize. This is the essence of democracy. We can only criticize. What you say? When we criticize, need take steps at the correct here. It's better than say a better trouble. See if we say when this in more, when it comes to the dispensation of justice, we're not getting a the chaos about man. No, we'll talk. The Orban, a lot of people are in line to succeed him. When the discussion begins now, Neba Bakubia Obenya never picking Adrian said no. Maybe for about 8 months to the period I may be Chief Justice. The discussion has been say a section of Ghanaians feel say Omudie Assembly for Omunya Justice. The discussion must begin now, and it's the right call of President Mahama. So that as the discussion goes on, those people who are in line
crown a Chief Justice.
Debbie.
And there will be a new charge.
There will be a new charges
before 2024.
Before 2024. As the discussion keeps going on, there are people some way somehow. It be an conscience. I picked. Now or a new breeze Adea Aba beyond even the political cases. Ghana said there's a perceived corruption in the judiciary. So why we say that there must be a review and there must be a new Chief Justice who will give us a new hope for the judiciary.
Okay. Come in, my brother.
Omanhene, did you kind? I'm say make creative art school. No, my men's fan to her say sports so. Wow, more young weduma. I know sports school. Yeah, baby. I know so the music. But the Omanhene,
Sompa
Zuba, I can say Ghana GDP need the production. Sort up between time I buy as against somebody. No,
I have not mentioned GDP.
Oh,
please. I've not mentioned GDP.
Okay,
me say Ghana sika Mahama nya on a period was 35 billion. Sika President Kufuor nya 78 billion. All your revenues are President Mamanya was 100, President Kufuor nya 400. And the amount of do no, you hear to finish them.
And one my million and one kasa. Say the total revenue no 3.1. Na yentes unit to for mu any nya revenue. Ya di bibi punish mu na di bibi bae. Sa total revenue no a wo kanwa e bae no. Ibi na ma kane a we gina e. Na de free senior school a wo fa se no bi ko bi a me
fa se bi anko bi me mo fa se bi anko me nwa e ba ko pe ne ba wo nyini kwa wo fa
no ena e ma nursing and teacher training allowance o ya sa de bae eno ena ma obi enya nsuo free o te ya ka se o nya nsuo free o ye de o de barometer be na hwe ye hu se nsuo wo nya
o ni boho
oboa say mi ni fi
adi fi ewu
kan ya wa nya bi
o so wa nya bi
o nya bi
o check here wa nya bi
o nya ba ya wa da fu no o nya bi so Omanhene de ya ka ko se ya ne se
me ni bo na eti ofia
o so ba ya pipe koso
pipe
address me
me so bo pipe ye na bo pipe o bo o sa pipe me si ni fi o pipe me se madam no me so bo pipe sanity me ni pipe eti Omanhene de ya ka nyina ne se sanse mo ya e ko ba nyina ra o te a o na chief justice no support no enti no se Justice Oyenuga kokase Chief Justice say opuni issue no ana matter no menka ntemu a no waka boni ana na eno no anka enye in the best interest of opuni no wa uzuba ote no opuni e one person me and me penazem pa
who your question examination on you go sit chat
opuni
how do we dispense justice like
Dr. Opuni ye nipa me ali me penazem pa
na mo kan no call Ghana han opuni case nipa be 5 na fan wa dem
you see
Zuba why
boni be no waka
so ye me bi o
entina me ma ama na
o nya ma ne fan the ya ne say Martin to so pipes are bo
mini pipe upa fakura teacher na
let's continue we are wrapping up
upa unima fakura teacher na din se so unim se me wo
me what's how kofa ebro enko na emu enko hwe saa asem we a de bia damano na okọ asenof na asenof wo de omo ye Ghana fo na wanwan
Sompa 93.1
okọ ye nua no ho ifo asem a wo Kenya ho ye de ni siye the matter in ho as against the matter in Tachima no different from issue I see here ewo asenof in any case be asipen ye nua Adamu Dramani Sakandi Omanhene
Adamu Sakandi ye di na asem no you suspended from parliament
Adamu Dramani
ya kasi amani ko parliament ye di na asem no ya kasi amani ko parliament the man held himself as an MP and to the day that he was convicted
Adamu Sakandi nobody took him to court said he should not be allowed to go to parliament before
because
when they concern
but me say interchima yes ko yes say me nya sa but you see yes say we can't deny them representation the substance of the matter the substance of the matter
had nothing to do with citizenship
but which court and I can say he's not a citizen which court is the case if say the day Becca say Canada no there must be a first election
masters ba memra
court to be anyone case or Canada no Ghana ni the court has not decided
o say me program
so we enko
what I say na fei abrante papa yi koi electoral commission de mo ma nyina ba abonten o ye Ghana ni a be pick wo se de bo ye Canada ni o ye Ghana ni at the time I will follow so ye Ghana ni ye ko he nkrata ni mu a sa o ye Canada ni
Even with that,
no. Court why say Ghana near and answer the the court that decides whether
he's going to the merits of the case.
And
he's going into the merits of the case.
Canadian passport.
Zuba mami.
The Canadian passport me fine. Now,
at what point does somebody become an MP?
Adamu Dramani Sakandi, Boko Central. Oko Parliament anopa. If you want to call court, or if you na mo konsa wo.
Say a ruling. Find a ruling.
I make kabase. Sana, just so system no an yakon.
And it's not the first time.
What I say? And I would there no so be an kwan kase. Adamu Dramani to me would know as an MP at the time.
That is true.
Opa, me no wusi for me. Ube dem no be. Now him. Obi ehun. Na amfa nkwa. Obi tu akabi. What I say? Eti when the obi atrega. The issue no. So who tisu se ni mi. Me no nyina tie. Eko. Omanhene, eti ye be sere wo mu. Enye we na ensi da. In any case, the Chief Justice is working. What the bad case kokotwa ube lose 100%, 100 times. No because of say obi a NDC lawyer and also obi a NDC why engine or court ko lose ye black and white. Adea Akye Abia the justice system of Ghana say bibia o precedence. Bibia precedence now wo dey ban wo dey bro akwa fra mu enye ye. Utimi nkofa hohoi embeka yase no ho. Enti dia ye kan nyina ne se. Dia ye kan nyina ne se. Omanhene yes. Oman no ye ho kire. But hwe obeyi NPP afi wo de NDC abade. Hey. Omanhene ye hu bi pen. Enti na wo de 3.6 million ekoma Selasi Ibrahim say ontwa mfoni vanto bas branding no. Eno na moye. Oman we yakona nim. Oman panyin we say obese oba building the human resource capital base of this country. Eno na ama obi ekọ school no. Ya kan yes. Baby ya den. And now, no, because your mind, who is South Africa, or that doom so. Who is almost every set, one more president, I'm a force, I say, only because, or more that doom so. Look, energy issues, crisis are bad the whole world.
What was Ghana? What has been your government's contribution towards the production of energy capacity in this country?
No,
what has been your contribution? Tell me, sir. Who told you?
Because
Mahama fixed it, and Baumia told us before December 2016, sir. Nobody should comment Mahama for fixing doom so. What have you contributed to the energy sector?
Incompetent stag. I want a different better.
More competence. More competence.
22 billion.
And now because we are coming in, you know. Take
Ghana for you now. We are getting now energy minister as Resign. I'm not going to want it. Yeah, when put a new program will be because some of them what?
Yeah, Uti a fool.
Defend it.
Ubi a full lines, no. Ubi a full lines, no. Call us a buy, no. Baumia one.
Ben found when you be cry.
Baumia, call us now, Bieno. Baumia, the city vice president, who is in poor position to take over. Call us now, by Canada, Japonia 7, Mahamania 4, Baumia 1. When you be Mamma, Canada, Japan, what has been his role in government? I buy Canada, Japan on count, but the vice president now, won't be before the buyer. Canada, Japonia 7.
The break the 8 agenda. No, I can. Yeah, this sort of gimmicks, no, I am found. Call me now. As for course,
Baumia 1, Canada, Japonia 7. Why are they? Can't be one. Every one about was a man trouble. Everybody was a man trouble. But Kennedy Bar, my name is Renemy Martin. Why are they? Can't be one. Just a Kennedy Bar
from on what and come on, me one. So MPP every whoopana.
Me say, call us an except about me. Call us nearby.
Thank you very much, gentlemen. Me time as son. Me the moon see.
me man nyina ba me o ya de akonya wa
ba o campaign market e jejabo
okay ba me fansia na me slama ansa na me ko no tofia kwa rehearsal no mo fanto so ma me ka chire tofia kwa rehearsal no fanto so ma me de ma tofia kwa rehearsal no ka chire video no wai na men kan sem nkyere no na ye mpagya mu a kira da bu nka ho tofia kwa abase wo yare nti ontumi ma
MPP push your coffee baby so mo go ko da jo station dey ko so
omu tieska
sa
omu tieska
me ba cho ka say are you sabotaging me
ye bu mu na mu
David omu tieska
ye bu mu na mu
ye peska no pa so mu tieska omu ba say evancho mo
20 Ghana and they are paying
oba fa isika be
and one ma say that small
omo ya no ma say why dey pass mo breska
ye bra omo
o ma me bo na ma to de abo why dey mo ya dey say mo ma ye bo na to abo mo
na mo say na mo te mo ya Omanhene insenseful this is not fair Aki
Ebiana the moment and quality no so
everything is intact Aki
baya akwe won hwe mi
one and show
akwe wa
that's all you see on the opposition
akwe wa be na unu za ba ni nya no anu gada
okay we say for aha Tofia kwa mo ma me sound
ne we has as anyway e no yare no
we dey tie the ba no
Runabout.
Is it a very runabout? The way has us here.
The way has us ready.
Wow. Abo yeah. Oh yeah, no dey mo fa to so. What the Adea Akye say opa me chew. Oh yare.
Oh yeah, the way has us here.
E to be say mo try say I asana maso a ye general manager yare. And now the way tell me na say man go rehearse. Me hu ano de. So yare.
The has as yam who idiot. Yari. I
was there for pharmacy animal. Yeah, the 21st clinic in Sompa Chasso quickly. Now, Abu Dhabi a crowd or the full time over. You go.
One te unipeduasia. O te ayaresase. As soon as say wa pomodin. And as soon as say wa hodin. Yare bia when you free Timan no madro abra wonim yare no kofa bai we aye 21st clinic yina so a ye de sayare wo 21st clinic no yare a amanfo titru ni abrochirefo enim se yesa pa no ene yare a friend se sciatica se ye kase sciatica